You are correct. And x comes out of everything. Is that the only thing that's in all three terms? Is x the only thing you found in all three of them? Yep. Again, you could tell by the way I asked the question, like to see if you really had looked close. Yeah, because that's the main thing is try to figure out, is there anything else? Because that's the most common mistake. There is only an x. And when you factor it out, then what do you have left? Let's go with Anya Vukovic. Hint, it's like dividing each little thing by x. Anya, are you with us today? Okay, there we go.
Is she in the next?
Oh, did I screw up the... Yeah, I grabbed the wrong CD chart. Okay.
Yeah, and
Sorry. I'll try that again. Alex Stone. Do you know what we put in the parenthesis now? 2 minus 4x what? Yes. And then what? Yes. Because if you look at what cancels in each thing, that cancels. And this has got 3 x's on the top and only 1 on the bottom. That's why we have x squared left. And then this one cancels to just be a 2. So nice job. All right, Emmett Reifenberger. Nice job on your test, by the way. Can you tell me what, if this thing won't factor, how the heck am I supposed to solve it? Because if you can factor it, you should, but it doesn't factor. Oh, dang it. I'm still on the wrong seating chart. Let's not try Emmett. Let's try Nick Richards. Nick,
did you say what can you take out of it?
Well, you can't factor it. Like, it just won't factor. So what do you do if you can't solve it by factoring? Hint, the test you just took is like that. What solves every quadratic?
Find the discriminant.
That's part of it. The quadratic formula, though, will solve the whole thing. So I just wanted to remind you, this is what we just took for a test. And so you do x equals negative b, and then the discriminant part, and then all over 2a. So let's do it. What is negative b? It'd be negative of negative 3 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 3 squared, but that's 9, minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times negative 5, all over 2a. And see, this is the reason that I wanted to go back to this, because I knew it was going to be like hard for you to solve the letter b, but we just did it. That's what that quadratic formula is for. And then I should simplify it, right? So 3 plus and minus the square root of 9 plus 20 is 29, all over 2. There are your exact answers, just like we just took on the test. So here it is the day after the test, and I bet a lot of you were like, I don't know how to solve that. That's what the quadratic formula is for. Okay, and then part C, which is x squared minus 9. Ooh, I know how to factor that. X plus 9 and x minus 9. Am I right? Bertha, is that right? No, it's not. I know it's hard to say the teacher's wrong, but I'm wrong. What is it? Nope. We got to do x squared minus 9, and you got to think what times what makes a 9. There you go. You're going to be kicking yourself later like, couldn't think. Now this one, this factors into something else. x and x. And Bertha, you want to try this one? Is it pluses or minuses or one of each?
It's going to be plus for both of them.
Yep.
So 1 and 3.
You got it. And then there's an x plus 3 here and an x plus 3 there, and they cancel. Why is this stuff such a big deal? 3 reasons. Unless you are a senior right now, you're taking a math class next year. And what do you think that math class will have in it? Algebra. Now, you guys took a year off of algebra last year. You took geometry. That's why this year has started a little rough in algebra. But I'm hoping you guys are better. But we will find out today when you take the basic 20. So this is a timed test. I know, Bertha, you have to go, right? So you just take. All right, so for today, after this little review, we also went over the tests. We now get launched into a basic 20. Now, Mrs. N, just for the experience of it, could you go in there and open it up so that everybody, you can see like who's opened it and started it?
Got it open. So, yeah.
And hit the results tab.
Yep.
And we can start seeing who is not in it yet. And you can kind of gently guide them towards the test. We'll give them another minute. So again, everybody, you should be taking the basic 20. And there's a few people that are actually absent, so
yeah,
we won't have to like bother them about this. But all right, so that's all I have for the video for today. After we did this, we just took the basic 20, and you get lots of retakes on it. So go ahead and do that. And if you didn't do awesome, you can do it again. And the rest of this, after this time, you're just going to have basically quiet work time.